happened, Ma?
Hey Minu, don't you remember? Today is your birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Minu! Happy birthday!
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Chinu. I am so happy.
Today I will cook dishes that you like, Minu. Why don't you call your friends home for lunch? You can all eat and have fun together.
Okay, Ma. That will be lots of fun.
Now, just run and call your friends. I will quickly cook by then.
Minu, I will also come with you to call our friends.
Chinu, why don't you stay at home and help Ma? She has to cook food for all of us. She will need some help. You can help her.
Okay, Minu, you go and call our friends. I will help Ma. Don't forget to call Jeetu and Shyama.
Meenu, wait. I will also come with you to call everyone. Ma, Chinu, look, our friends are here. See, Shyama, Sheila, Sahil, Jeetu have all come home.
Hello, everybody. Hello, Chinu. Hello, Auntie. Auntie, we love your food. We are all waiting to eat your food.
Thank you, my child. I am happy you all like my cooking. Come, everyone sit down.
Auntie, the food smells so good. Auntie, my mouth is watering. What all have you cooked today, Auntie? Auntie, you have to give Shyama some food quickly. Look, she is behaving like Raja when he sees a bone.
Sahil, poor girl, don't tease her. Look at what I have made for you today. I have made curries with potatoes and cauliflower. Look, here are some fluffy puris, stew and sweet kheer.
I love potatoes, Auntie. But I don't like cauliflower.
Okay, you can have more potatoes, Sahil, but you should eat all vegetables. They are very good for health.
I love kheer very much. I will drink more kheer, Auntie.
You can have more kheer, Shama. You can all eat more of whatever you like, but you have to eat a little of everything. It is good for your health.
But Ma, how can I eat all types of food? I don't like food that tastes bitter, like bitter gourd. Eek! It tastes so bitter. I just cannot eat it.
I like only honey. It tastes so sweet. But how do we get to know how different foods taste? Buzz, our tongue helps us to taste food. There are tiny bumps on our tongue. They are called the taste buds. They help us taste the food we eat.
Tiny little bumps. What do they look like? Chinu, show me your tongue.
Chinu, put your tongue out. Can you see these tiny bumps, Buzz? These are the taste buds. These taste buds help us taste the food we eat.
Children, do you know the different parts of the tongue help us to find out different tastes?
Different parts of the tongue tell us about different tastes. But how is that, Auntie?
It is like magic. Look at Chinu's tongue. This part, the front of the tongue, helps us identify sweet and salty taste. The back of the tongue helps us identify bitter taste. The sides of the tongue help us identify sour taste.
I didn't know this, Ma. I thought the whole tongue identifies all tastes. This is so funny. Will I not feel the bitter taste in the front of my tongue?
No, Meenu. Don't you think our body is very interesting?
Yes, Ma. Our body is very interesting.
Children, now have your food. You have been talking too much. But don't swallow your food just like that. Chew it slowly and well before you swallow it.
But Ma, why should we chew the food well before we swallow it?
Only if you chew your food well, your body will be able to digest it properly. We need to digest the food we eat. Chewing helps in digestion.
Digestion? What is digestion, Ma?
I will tell you, Buzz. What did Shama say when she saw tasty food?
She said that her mouth was watering.
That's right. Her mouth was watering because of the saliva that she has in her mouth. We all have saliva in our mouth. Saliva is one of the things that help in digestion.
I know, Ma. The food then goes from the mouth to the stomach. It is broken into different small parts. Whatever is needed by the body to help it grow and get strength is kept back in the body. The remaining unwanted parts are thrown out of the body as waste.
So we need to chew our food nicely before we swallow it. But how do we know if we have chewed the food properly or not?
After you chew for some time, the food gets soft. Only then you should swallow the food.
And how does the saliva help us?
Buzz, the saliva in our mouth has special things which help to digest the food. It mixes with food to make it soft and easy to swallow also. That is why Ma says that we should chew the food in our mouth well before we swallow.
Okay, children, you must be very hungry now. The food is also getting cold. Eat your food and then you can talk.
Oh, Auntie, the food is very tasty. I love it.
Thank you, my child. Here, Sahil, have some more. Jeetu, Sheila, you too have some more.
Auntie, can you tell me something? Sometimes, even before we taste the food, With our tongue, we get to know of its taste, like bitter or sweet, or even if it is good or spoiled. How is that possible?
You are right, Sheila. That is because our nose also helps us in this.
Oh, so without seeing or tasting food, we can find out about its taste.
That's right, Sheila. But not all food. Some of them.
Like Auntie's food today. Shama, did you not smell the lovely food that Auntie has made, even without tasting it? Your mouth was also watering. And Sheila, don't you remember? The other day we had gone to the fish market and you were holding your nose all the time. Oh yes, I do remember. So, our nose also tells us so many things about the food. Oh, now I know why Grandma asks me to hold my nose when she gives me some bitter medicine. She doesn't want me to know that it is a bitter medicine. Otherwise, I will run away.
That's right, Chinu. But now you are smart. You will not close your nose. So, I will have to ask your grandma to think of a new way to make you drink bitter medicines. Okay, children, go and wash your hands.
Thank you, Auntie. We all loved your food. The potatoes were very tasty. Meenu, shall we play for some time after washing our hands?
Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.